it's a new me. Keep on the planes right. Blueprints in my head, shit. Night thoughts.
Every morning it's a new me, can't keep on my planes, right? Blueprints in my head, shit, but I'm always new in the daylight. I wanna be a better me, feel the opposite symphony and harmony.
And these my thoughts from last night, it's my night thoughts and big
It's my night thoughts.
what?
It's my night thoughts.
Big fight.
It's my night thoughts. It's my night thoughts. It's another story that I had last night. Tripping in bed all night, looking for expedient. I couldn't even have a nap all night. Trouble myself for some bullshit that can even be solved. Things I don't wanna get involved. Some shit a word I never had before. Nose popping on my dream, it's so scary it might kill. I don't really wanna scream, but my lips are sealed with a glue cream. Really shouting out loud, in the inside I'm burned out. Heavy load is on my back, and my voice won't come out. Then I thought back, is it really things that I did so bad? I'm making me feel like I wanna rearrange myself for suicide. It's a little hard to define, searching out for the in the line. I
Prayed a lot and I start to feel the love.
It's my night thoughts.
What?
It's my night thoughts.
Big fight.
It's my night thoughts. It's my night thoughts. So I start to make plans for my life that can clear up my brain from the thoughts that I had before. That almost made me go insane, so I came up with some shit for it that could really work for it. It would be very boom if I could really hold on to it. There was a painkiller, wound healer, case closer, nightmare killer, soul saver, dream chase away, changer. All my life's about to be better. I thought about another way, it's safe to say if I have a courage to stay, it's gonna be another me. Came up from another Bible plane. Then when the night go by, I just woke up in the morning alive. I can't remember any shit, all I know is last night was alright. All the plans that I made, they just have blown up and fade. Was it good or bad or fun or sad, I can't even recall a thing. Can't keep all my plans, right? Blueprints in my head, shit. But I'm always new in the daylight. It's my night thoughts.
What?
It's my night thoughts. It's my night thoughts.
What?
It's my night thoughts.
Big fight.
It's my night thoughts. It's my night thoughts.